So this one is the person who's helping me together with Roman.
Hello.
I got my wedding band. Hi everyone, so here and welcome to another video. So for today actually, hindi ko alam yung mga ganap natin kasi it's raining hard. So this is the weather today. So it's raining man, hallelujah, it's raining man. So yan, hindi ko alam kung anong mga ganap natin. Hindi ko alam kung makakapunta ako ng mall, pero we'll see kung anong mangyayari sa ganap natin today after work. So ayun lang guys, we'll see you later. Bye! Welcome back, Ate Gemma.
Bago. Investment.
Hindi, ito na yung Christmas party natin. Oo. Welcome back.
Enjoy your goodies.
Marami kaming pasalubong. Meron kaming mochi. May mochi. Ano ito, galing daw itong Thailand. Tapos may ubi bites. Tapos meron ako nitong gourmet dried, ano to? Dried tuyo. And then meron kaming kopya. Siyempre mamimigay tayo. Hindi lang yan sa akin. Ito lang ang akin dito. Okay, dito lang okay na ako. Bigay mo na sa kanila yan. Okay na ako dito. Thank you. Hello everyone. So I'm at the Willowbrook Mall as of the moment. And ang daming tao. So nahihiya ako mag-vlog. Pumunta ako dito para kunin yung wedding band. Just yung sa akin lang naman. Kasi nga, pinaresize ko. So, dumaan na ako dito after work kasi someone pissed me off at work earlier. So, pumunta na ako dito para makapag-chill. Pero, hindi ko alam kung makakapag-vlog ako. Hindi ako makalabas ng sasakyan kasi nga, nahihiya ako. Hindi ko alam kung kailan kakapalang mukha ako. Ang dami kasing tao. Pero, sige na nga. Let's go. Let's do this. And hihi pa ako. So, yeah. Let's go. So, hindi ko alam kung bibili rin ako ng Starbucks today to treat myself. Pero dito tayo, ayan, may Starbucks dito. And then, dito yung Willowbrook Mall. And then, meron ditong charging ng mga electric cars. So, tingnan natin. Pero ngayon, pipick up muna tayo ng ring. Kasi malapit lang naman siya. So, let's do this. Ay, hindi naman pala ganun karaming tao. Kaya tingnan natin. Malapit lang naman pupuntahan natin. So, ayun lang yung entrance kanina. And then now, we're just going here. I'm video. I'm gonna take my wedding band.
Oh, yeah. It's ready for...
Yeah, it's ready for me. So, this is a camera. Yeah, I'm recording. Do you want to say hi? Is it okay? Or so this one is the person who's helping me together with Roman.
Hello.
Thank you. What's your name again, sir?
Manmeet.
Huh?
Manmeet.
Manmeet?
Manmeet.
Okay. Thank you.
I can break.
Let's see. It should be fit. Oh yeah, it's fit.
That's to be right.
Yeah, it looks
Otherwise,
good.
it's not perfect. Beautiful.
So I got my wedding band, and of course it's not loose.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's perfect.
By looking, I feel it.
Yeah. Finally.
Anything else in the wish list?
Mm,
Check something else. We do have a great promotions going on. We have it like this is all clearance for 60% off. We have a lab 25% off.
okay.
So if you like something, that's a good time to buy, my dear.
Okay.
Signature. What else are you looking for? Your ring's ready.
Yeah.
So what else in your...
So far, this one looks good too. Let's see. It's $4.99. And then this one too. It looks super good. Pero ang mahal, sobrang mahal. $5,399. Hi everyone, so nakuha ko na yung aking ring. And now, pupunta tayo sa Bell. Ayan, so dito tayo pupunta sa Bell. And we'll see kung makakuha tayo ng great deal. Hi, I'm good. You? I have a question because I will finish my phone this month and I want to get a great deal for the data. Yeah, I'm planning to change my plan because it's expensive. Okay, sure.
So you've got a month remaining on your contract, 55 per month.
Oh, is it just 55 per month
Yeah, so well, you pay 55 for the plan, and then you pay 76 on top of that for the phone.
for the phone? Mm-hmm.
So like total, you're paying about was 132
So far,
before
yeah.
tax.
Yeah.
So once your contract ends, your bill will drop down to be 55 a month plus tax.
So it just automatically drops to 55.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Beyond that, that's still a really cheap plan.
Yeah, that's right. If it is just $55
How much I
after
pay.
taxes. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Because
Honestly,
we're all good. It's
wouldn't
just like
change it.
$55. Yeah.
It's a really good plan.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for your help.
No worries.
Have a great day. Ayun na nga. Tapos na tayo sa Bell. $55 lang pala yung plan ko. Ang mura naman ang plan ko. Alam ko may balak pa akong puntahan eh. Nakababa lang talaga yung camera ko kasi hiyang-hiya ako, dude. Pero mag-washroom muna tayo before heading out. Hi everyone! So I'm back in my car and ito nga pala ang aking kinuhang drinks. Itong iced cherry chai. So this is how it looks like. Ayan. So ganitong itsura niya. Para siyang, ewan ko kung ano ito. Cherry yung ibabaw. Ayan, cherry yung ibabaw pero hindi ko alam yung pinakailalim. So I forgot to grab a straw. And ayan. So I've decided to go home na. Kasi nga, parang feeling ko bigla akong napagod. So yeah. Uwi na tayo. Siguro magpapa-oil change na lang ako sa weekend. Pero hindi pa natin sure. And then, yeah, we'll see kung ano magaganap natin. So, ayun lang guys. We'll see you later. Hi everyone. So, ayan, nakauwi na ako sa bahay. Actually, kanina pa. Pero, nag-prepare pa kasi ako ng aking food. So, kanina bumili tayo nitong Starbucks na, ano ba to? Ano nga ba ulit to? Iced cherry chai latte. So, ito yung binili natin kanina. Mahilig kasi ako sa chai, pero matamis to para sa akin. Pero, goods naman siya. And then, ngayon, ito ang kanin natin. Nagsasaing ako sa baba para sa ating bound for tomorrow. So, ito ang ating dinner. And then, ang ulam natin ay itong Doña Elena Gourmet dried herring in olive oil, mild spicy from the Philippines. Bigay sa akin to ng aking ka-work. So, ito ang ating ulam ngayon. And then, taturnuhan natin siya ng chili bomb garlic sauce in the flavor adobo. So, ito naman, binili ko naman to sa may Mr. Siopaw. So, kung napanood yung vlog na yun, yun. Then, nag-prepare din ako dito ng suka or additional acidity lang. Kasi minsan, di ba, nakakaumay. Pero kasi, nagtitrave ako na naman sa tuyo. Kaya, ito. And then, ang maganda sa tuyo na to, hindi mo kailangan lutuin. At hindi siya malansa. Hindi siya malansa. For me, ha. I mean, may amoy. Pero hindi yung amoy malansa. Talagyan natin itong garlic. Chili garlic. Ayan. Chili garlic. And then, lalagyan natin ng konting suka. Ayan. I'm so happy. So, Let's eat. Ano? Sarap. Ang daming garlic. I'm so happy. Perfect combination. Hi everyone. So time check. It's 10:25 in the evening. Ayan. Right now, nakahiga na ako as what you can see. Pero ginagawa ko ang aming wedding invitation ng aking jowa. So, ayan. Ginagawa ko yung wedding invitation namin. Dahil ang last na send ko pa ng invite is yung RSVP pa namin, which is last November pa after ng engagement namin, or December ko pa na-send out. And ngayon lang kami magsisend ng formal invitation sa aming wedding. Inintay ko kasi talaga yung mga photos from the prenup para mai-add ko dun sa wedding invitation namin. So, yun. Kaya ginagawa ko na siya ngayon para meron na kaming ma-send out na formal invitation. And then, para rin ibaling ko na yung pagiging busy sa ibang bagay dahil dagdag din to sa isipin ko. So, baka makakaligtaan ko pa, 'di ba? And next month na ang aming wedding. Nakakakaba, nakaka-stress, but at the same time, nakaka-excite. Kasi syempre, ikakasal na ako sa jowa ko. So, ayun, by the way, I'm just whispering kasi nga, gabi na. And syempre yung mga tao sa paligid ko natutulog na. And then kasi nakabukas din yung aking humidifier, maingay. So kaya I've decided to use my mic. Yun lang. At kaya bubulong lang din ako. So ayun lang guys, in-update ko lang kayo sa ganap ko for tonight. And we'll see you whenever. Bye!